even love me?
Of course. Why would you say that?
You never tell me you love me. You never say I'm pretty.
Well, I told you at the wedding. You need me to tell you more than that? Besides, you don't exactly do much these days.
What? I cook and clean and take care of the kids?
Well, sometimes I just want to get away from here, just the two of us.
Well, Kathy's husband plans date nights and even buys her flowers every month.
What? You want flowers that are gonna die?
No, but that's not the point. We don't seem to know what each other needs, and we're too busy to do anything about it.